Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through sari lovers the most favorite collection of pure cotton sarees. In which the first set you are seeing is 80s count pure traditional chettinad cotton sarees. All these sarees are very soft, light in weight and comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. Especially a perfect choice for this summer season. The body part is plain along with a simple pallu and the saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse. The zari and thread woven unique borders enhancing the elegance of these collections. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 749 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even shipping charges be very less from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. And about the maintenance, all these sarees can be carefully hand washed at home and also you can apply mild starch if you wanted it to be stiffer while wearing. For orders, take a screenshot and DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please note our payment mode is true only online. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do kind of UPI transactions. And please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. We'll definitely give reply maximum within 12 hours. Next collection we are seeing is 100s count pure half and top model cotton sarees. The below half portion is having beautiful and rich zari woven pattern running throughout the saree. And the saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse. And the soft cotton trendy sarees you are getting in a price of 900 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And the next collection is again 100s count pure soft cotton sarees. Throughout the sarees are having beautiful digital prints along with zari woven mayoori borders. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 790 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. And finally we are seeing again 100s count soft cotton sarees in bhandini prints along with a simple pallu and zari woven borders. The saree length is 5.5 meter without blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 700 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.